Welcome to the first session of this Python web application training. In this video, we aren't going to dive straight into writing code. Instead, we'll focus on the essential setup habits that prevent common beginner errors. We'll explore our destination, build a reliable environment, and learn why your terminal is key to everything. Why start this way? Often, beginners start typing code without understanding what they are actually building. This session reverses that. We'll learn to see the destination first, stop guessing about folder locations, and verify everything with evidence. Remember, the goal is not to type faster, but to know where you are and look for proof. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the correct project folder, safely build your environment using UV, launch the application, and explain the role of your terminal. Your measurable outcome is having the project dashboard open and running in your web browser. This is your destination, the Career Assistant dashboard. When you see this page, it is your proof that the Python server, your browser, and the database are all successfully connected. You'll navigate between tasks, goals, and jobs, input data quickly, and see progress updates, all while testing the backend through built-in documentation. Before we begin, let's clear up some jargon. The project root is your top-level folder containing the pyproject.toml file. An environment is a private workspace for your packages, created by UV. A local server is a program running only on your machine, and a port is the specific address, 8000, used to access it. Step 1 is proving you are in the correct folder. Most issues arise from being in the wrong place. Use getLocation to check your path, and testpath to ensure pyproject.toml is present. If these don't return the expected results, check that you are inside the inner AI Career Assistant folder and not an outer directory. This is what your folder structure should look like. pyproject.toml is your landmark. It is the contract that tells the system what dependencies the project needs. Avoid the common mistake of working from an outer folder. Close and reopen your terminal to ensure you are consistently in the correct, verified location. Step 2 is building your environment. Run UV-Sync to create your virtual environment and install necessary packages. Using UV Run ensures you are executing commands within that specific environment without needing manual activation. If a command isn't recognized, simply restart your code editor. Let's look at your contract, pyproject.toml. You don't need to memorize it, but know that it manages your project's dependencies, like FastAPI and Uvicorn, and defines your scripts. These are helpful shortcuts, like CPA-web, which prevent you from having to type long, complicated paths to start your application. Step 3 is opening your app. Run UV Run CPA-web to start the server. Remember, the browser is just a client. The real work happens in the terminal, which must stay open to serve your requests. If the browser doesn't launch, you can manually navigate to the local address provided. How do you prove it's alive? Check the dashboard page and the health endpoint. If the dashboard loads and the health URL returns a simple status, you've succeeded. If you encounter a connection error, verify that your terminal is still running, as closing the terminal or pressing Ctrl+C will stop the entire application. If you run into issues, follow the error clinic rule. Identify the symptom and take only the first necessary fix. If UV is not recognized, restart your editor. If you get a refused to connect error, check the terminal for red text. If the port is in use, specify a new port, like 8001. To help understand the architecture, think of it like an office. Your computer is the building, port 8000 is the main door, and the Python server is the worker inside answering requests. The browser is the visitor, and the SQLite database is the filing cabinet where your progress is stored. For our independent exercise, look at the address, http://127.0.0.1:8000. Try to explain what each part represents, the communication method, the machine address, and the port, without using the word server more than once. This helps build your mental model of how the system functions. Finally, before concluding, collect your evidence. Take a screenshot of the dashboard and your active terminal. Practice explaining the setup in plain language, and make a Git commit to document that your environment is verified and ready. Once your dashboard opens reliably, you are ready for session 2. Throughout this video, remember to use AI as a tutor, not a shortcut. If you get stuck, use prompts to help debug specific errors or clarify definitions from the source files. The key rule is to ask the AI to explain and validate your approach rather than asking it to rewrite everything for you. This is a summary of the workflow. Follow these 6 steps in order. Open your folder, verify your location, sync your environment, launch the app, open the health endpoint in your browser, and capture your evidence. You can pause the video here to use this list as your checklist. In the next session, we will move from setup into Python basics, including variables, conditions, and loops. Before you continue to session 2, ensure your dashboard is open and the health endpoint is working correctly. Good luck with your setup.